So look, here's the chicken head. So it brings lots of flavor to the congee. Thanks a lot, buddy, for giving me lots of flavor in the congee. This is our version of special congee. Easily costs you $20 for this serving size in a Chinese restaurant. So you can make it at home for a lot less. I usually don't eat the chicken head, but sometimes I eat the skin around the outside. You soak the rice overnight. We have about 2 cups of rice here. We soaked it overnight. So I'll rinse the rice a few times, and then I'm just going to put this right into the congee. So I got this big pot going with so keep in mind when you soak the rice, it's going to expand at medium high. So just bring that to a boil. So just take off the foam from the surface. So we do this several times. So I'm going to put the ginger in. So it's 3 pieces of ginger. So I like a proportion of 1 to 12. Sometimes thicker, so you put less water or more rice. So my ratio for me is 1 to 12. So to prevent the overflow situation, I put a pair of chopsticks here. Put the lid like this, and then it won't overflow. You won't get this mini disaster. So it's been over half an hour, so it's still simmering at low. So now I'm just gonna put the ingredients in. So we had free-range chicken. So this is really nice free-range chicken. So it's got some nice spice powder flavor. So I'm gonna put the leftover chicken feet, chicken neck, and some chicken pieces. Put it in there. It's gonna give it lots of nice flavor because the. So here we have some chicken drumsticks. My mom's just gonna clean it up, and then we're gonna put the drumsticks in the congee as well. So we're just gonna put the drumsticks in there. So it's yeah. So put 4 or 5 drumsticks in there if you have it. So drumsticks gives real good flavor. You can eat the drumsticks as well. So these are the additional toppings we have. We have some giant tiger prawns. We marinate this in cooking oil. We have some duck eggs. So these are salted duck eggs. And then we have some chopped green onions. We have the 1,000-year-old eggs, also called century eggs. So these have been soaked in alkaline, so they change colors. So now we're just going to put all the toppings right into the congee. You can put it in individually if you like, but this one we put it right in. So just give the congee a good stir. You got some nice free-range chicken, and you get the nice drumsticks in there. So it's been simmering for another half hour. Some nice juicy tiger prawns put in there. The salted duck eggs. 3 duck eggs, or the 1,000-year-old duck eggs. Not really 1,000 years old, just that sometimes they call that. So we got about a cup and a half of chopped green onions. Serving this as an individual order at a Chinese restaurant, it's about 20 bucks a bowl. You're not going to get this kind of ingredients when you get to a restaurant, Chinese restaurant. I'm just going to put a little Mediterranean salt in there. So I'd say about maybe a tablespoon. Maybe less. You got other kind of salty duck eggs. You got the free-range chicken, which has salt in it. So maybe about a tablespoon, maybe a little bit less, maybe a little bit more. Just for your own taste. Oh, look at these giant tiger prawns. Only take about 5 minutes to cook. Put in at the very last. So this is our version of special congee. Usually costs you $20 for this serving size in a Chinese restaurant. So you're gonna really enjoy this when you make it. Ooh, look at this giant tiger prawn. So just need to cook it for about 5 minutes. Stays nice and crispy. So the longer you simmer the congee, the better. Some people will simmer for hours, so at least 1 hour, hour and a half. So you see the rice, it's still translucent. You can see the whole grains of rice. Some of it's all translucent. So you don't need a thickener. Time will thicken the congee by itself. Wow, that is a great congee. Still got the grains of rice intact. It's translucent. Some people like it thicker, but for me, this is just perfect. So thanks for checking out our video. Please like and subscribe. Any comments are welcome, and thanks for your continued support.
Favorite toppings, please let me know in the comments section below. Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use. Thanks for checking out my video, and please give me a thumbs up, and be sure to check out some of my other videos on this channel, and please subscribe. If you get a chance, check out my other channel, the award-winning Chinese cooking channel.